Hello kids, let's learn about capital letter C. So how to write capital letter C and so C is for cat. Cat. C is for cow. Cow. C is for car. Car. C is for cup. Cup. C is for cake. Cake. So C phonic sound is car, cat, cake, k. Another one is cow. So C phonic sound is k. Let's start how to write letter C.
Today I am going to teach you how to write letter C. Let's start. So this is dot method and you trace up to down. So this is like this. Curve line letter C. Curve line letter C. You trace up to down. Curve line letter C. Curve line letter C. C is for cat. C is for cup and C is for cake. So now we'll write how to write in a two dots. So you trace up to down. You need one curve line. So like this, curve line, letter C, curve line, letter C, curve line, letter C. You trace up to down and you need a curve line. So you make a curve line. So letter. I hope you understand the letter C. Till that time, bye bye everyone. See you on next video. Bye bye.